Hey everyone, in this video you will learn how you can receive notifications automatically on selling tickets of your events via Ticket Tailor application. So guys, Ticket Tailor is an event ticket selling application. So guys, if you're selling your tickets online for any event, you can receive notifications about the selling automatically via this automation, and we are going to set up this automation without any coding. So let's begin. To set up this automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account. I have pasted the link in the description, so you can just sign up right now, and after that, you have to sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And when you sign in, you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so let me show you the dashboard now. Here is the dashboard, and here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow. And in this field, you can give a name to your workflow as well. So for this use case, I'm going to give the name as Ticket Tailor Tickets Notifications. Okay. So you can give any name according to you, and after giving the name, just click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So we can set up any automation with the help of these two things. So the trigger is that event which is going to trigger the workflow or start the workflow, and the action would be the response or the consequence of the trigger, right? So here in the trigger module, you have to choose the trigger application first, in which the trigger event is going to occur. So in this use case, selling of the ticket in Ticket Tailor will act as a trigger event. So Ticket Tailor would be our trigger application, okay? And the action application would be Gmail to send an email, okay? So here search for Ticket Tailor, right? And the trigger event would be new ticket order. All right, and it has given us this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to make a connection with Ticket Tailor by following these steps written here. Okay, so you can just follow the steps. Let me show you directly how you can make this connection. First of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Ticket Tailor application. Here you will find this settings option on the top. Click on settings, and this page will open up. From here on the left hand side panel, when you scroll down, you will find this API option. Click on API, and here on this page you will find this webhooks tab. Click on webhooks, and here you can create a webhook connection by clicking on this create new webhook button. Okay, so from this events option, you have to choose the event that is going to trigger the workflow. So here we have many options for triggering the workflows. So for now, I want to send the data of the selling of the tickets. So whenever an order is created, I want to trigger the workflow. So I'm going to select this order.created event here, and the status, make the status as active. And here in this URL field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you got here. So just click on copy and paste this URL here in this field like this. Okay, then click on create. All right, and here you can see a new webhook connection is created here successfully, right? And here you can see, guys, as we have copied the webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook connections response. This means now we have to perform a test submission. Test submission means we have to buy a ticket manually. Okay, that will be a test purchase, not an original purchase. So you can create a ticket selling page via Ticket Tailor and buy a ticket. Let me show you. I have created a selling page here. This is the test selling page I have created for a test event. I have named it as Connect Integration Webinar. Okay, yes. And from this button, join the guest list, I'm going to buy a free ticket, a test ticket. Okay, you can see the description. This is general admission, entry is free. I'm clicking on next, and here you have to fill in the details of any dummy customer. So guys, I have filled in the details of a dummy customer, and here I'm clicking on next. Okay, and from here I'm going to click on this complete this order button, and here you can see the order is completed. Okay, So let's see in our workflow if we got the data captured or not of this order. So here you can see in this response section, we got the response here, and here it is showing the total amount, which is 00, okay, of the ticket. And here is the all other technical details, and the description of ticket is general admission. And here you will find the customer details as well. Here you can see the start date of the event is also here. The event's name is here, okay. And here are the customer's details, okay. Now guys, I want to receive a notification for this ticket that I've just sold. So for this, we are going to use this actions tab, and the action would be to send an email uh, to yourself, okay? Because you are organizing the event, so you want to receive a notification. For that, I'm going to connect with Gmail application to receive an email, and the action event would be send email. Then click on connect. From here, select add new connection, and then click on connect with Gmail. And from here, you have to choose that Gmail account by which you want to send the email, okay. So click on continue here to give the access to your account. That is completely safe. You can see the authorization is successful and we are connected. And here it is asking for the recipient's email address. So here you have to enter that email address on which you want to receive the email notifications, okay. So here let me just put, I have put the email address. Here you have to put the sender's name. So sender's name, let's say, is any ticket seller who's selling the ticket would be the sender. The email subject would be new ticket sold, okay. And here you can select the email content type as plain or HTML, and here you can write a notification email for yourself, okay. So let me type an email here. So I have written this notification email. You can see I have written dear event organizer. So in place of event organizer, you can place your name as well. We are pleased to inform you that a new ticket just got sold of your event. So here I'm going to place the name of the event, and I'm going to map the name of the event from this triggers tab. Here you can see in this test data, we have received the event's name as this, okay. So I'm going to map this summary name label here in this email. Let me show you. You just have to click here where you want to place the name, and the previous or the triggers tab will appear here in the drop down like this. And when you click on it, you will receive all the data here only. So from here you can search for the name of the event. Here it is, just map it like this, okay. Right, and here you can see the details of the attendee are as follows. So here I'm going to place the details of the person who have purchased our ticket, and I'm going to map the name and other things from this trigger step only. So you just have to look for the name label and map the name label like this. Similarly, search for the email label and map the email, and similarly map the phone number label as well, okay. So when you map the labels here like this, guys, what will happen in real time, whenever any ticket of yours got sold in real time, that will be a original purchase, these labels here that you have mapped are going to change, are going to be updated, and you will receive new notifications with new details automatically, okay. That's why it is necessary to map the things here, okay. Now guys, you can check your connection with Gmail by clicking on save and send test request button, and a test email will be sent to this recipient email address. So this is not an original address. I'm going to place my email address here just to show you the demo how the email is going to look like, okay. So this is my inbox, and here I'm going to click on save and send test request, and let's see how the notification email is going to look like. So this is the response we have received here, and I have received a new email, you can see, from ticket seller, okay, and the subject is new ticket sold. And you can read the email, dear event organizer, we are pleased to inform you that a new ticket just got sold. And you can see the details, dummy customer, and these are the details. So this is the same email that I have written here with the same details I have received here, okay. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this only once, and after that it will run automatically whenever a new ticket got sold, and you will receive the notification on your email automatically, and this workflow is going to run in the background. All right, and you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.